Yes. Now you take care of during classification of salt. We have first taken the neutral salt, the salt which is formed by the reaction of the strong acid with the strong base are called neutral salts. The solution of a neutral salt in water is neither acidic nor basic. So, such a salt solution does not change the color of the litmus paper. Sodium chloride, sodium chloride is the example of neutral salt. Similarly, potassium chloride and potassium nitrate and sodium sulfate are the example of the neutral salt. Now you can also see how to decide whether the given solution is neither acidic nor basic in nature, that is, it is neutral. We have taken a petri dish, we pour water into it, we make a solution of sodium chloride in water and put into the petri dish. After putting it and dipping the litmus paper, this is the blue litmus paper, and when this blue litmus paper is put into the solution of sodium chloride in water, it is seen that the color of the litmus paper does not change. You can see here, once you can think of, the color of the litmus paper does not change. When the strip of red litmus paper, when we put the blue litmus paper, the color does not change. So the point of observation is that color of the litmus paper does not change. So if we write to this side, yes, you can see here the color of the blue litmus paper does not change. So first step, we make an observation that after putting the blue litmus paper in the petri dish, where sodium chloride solution with the water is kept or put into it, the color of the blue litmus paper does not change. Similarly, in the next step, in place of blue litmus paper, when we put red litmus paper, it will also not change. The color of the red litmus paper also does not change. So, in both the observation, we see that neither the blue litmus paper changes its color, nor the red litmus paper changes its color. So, this indicates that the solution taken in the petri dish is neither acidic nor basic. Okay, so we can decide and prove that the solution is neutral. Okay, this is a very simple activity to show how the solution is neither acidic nor basic, and we call it as neutral solution. Now comes to the next point. Comes to the next point. The point is acidic salt. Second, acidic salt. What do you mean by acidic salt? The definition is that the salt formed by the strong acid. Strong acid mixed with weak base. Weak base is acidic salt. Take care of the main point. When a strong acid is mixed with the weak salt, we call it as acidic salt. The solution of acidic salt in water is acidic in nature and change the color of blue litmus paper to red. We can also show that in this very solution, the blue litmus paper changes its color to red. So this very point where the blue litmus paper changes its color to red, we can decide also here by an activity. How to decide the activity and what are the acidic salt? First of all, you write the name of the acidic salt, which are very famous in chemical science. Number one, number one, number one is aluminum chloride, ACl3. We call it as aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride. Okay. The formula must be taken care of AlCl3. This is acidic salt. This is formed by the strong acid hydrochloric acid with the weak base aluminum hydroxide. Ammonium nitrate plus ammonium nitrate NH4 NO3. Ammonium nitrate. This is the formula and name of the chemical substance. Ammonium nitrate is the example of acidic salt. Zinc sulfate is also the example of acidic salt. Zinc sulfate, zinc sulfate is the example of acidic salt. Similarly, CuCl2, CuCl2, copper, chloride. These are the famous, most important examples of the acidic salt. Now suppose that after defining and knowing the formulas of all the acidic salt, how you can show that the solution of acidic salt is acidic in nature. Now, how to show? Let us see how to decide. You take another activity. Activity number 6. You can once again take a battery disk. You can take a battery disk. Yes, you can take the battery disk. Battery disk and put the solution here to decide. Yes, by taking the aluminum chloride in water. Aluminum chloride in water is taken. Aluminum chloride LCl3. Aluminum chloride, a solution of aluminum chloride in water is taken in the petri dish. Petri dish. AlCl3 is put into the petri dish. Now, a blue litmus paper is dipped into the solution. You take blue litmus paper. Yes, you write here blue litmus paper. Okay. You dip the blue litmus paper into the solution and you observe the change in color of the blue litmus paper. If the color of the litmus paper, the color of the blue litmus paper changes into red. If the blue litmus paper changes into red, this shows that the solution of the salt, this shows that the solution of this salt is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. So this is very simple activity and we can really observe how the aluminum chloride solution when put into the petri dish and
सर
when we
एक्टिविटी समझ में नहीं आया।
जी हेलो
सर एक्टिविटी समझ में नहीं आया।
हाँ आएगा टेक ए पेट्री डिश हियर हाँ एक प्याला टाइप का होता है ट्रांसपेरेंट पॉट होता है पेट्री डिश उसमें रखा जाता है प्याला जैसा रहता है ये ठीक है और पेट्री डिश में जब एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन वाटर में मिला के पुट करेंगे और उसमें जब ब्लू लिटमस पेपर इसमें रखेंगे तो ब्लू कलर रेड हो जाएगा तो अगर ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रेड हो जाएगा तो वो एसिड नेचर शो करेगा तो आप इस तरह से डायग्राम बना के अच्छे से लिखोगे कि कोई सॉल्ट दिया गया उसका सॉल्यूशन में आपने लिटमस पेपर डाला लिटमस पेपर का कलर कैसा चेंज हुआ वो कलर से आप डिसाइड कर लोगे कि वो रेड में अगर चेंज हो गया इट विल शो द एसिडिक नेचर ओके ये बात का ध्यान रखेंगे और इसको नोट करेंगे अच्छे से एसिडिक सॉल्ट हो गया अब आ जाइए इसके बाद वाला पॉइंट में कॉपी में लिखते हो प्यारे बच्चों नोट करते हो बोलो देखो दिखाई दे रहा है पूरा और थोड़ा दूर करेंगे तो अच्छे से पूरा आएगा यस डायग्राम तुम बना लो दिस इज फॉर यू है ना तो आपने न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट चेक कर लिया आपने एसिडिक सॉल्ट चेक कर लिया अब एक लास्ट बचा है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बेसिक सॉल्ट थर्ड नंबर ध्यान देना रब करें यस now let us come to the third classification this is called basic salt. Basic salt. What do you mean by basic salt? When there is reaction between weak acid when react with strong base, it gives basic salt. ध्यान रखना ये फार्मूला लिख दिए हैं. Weak acid react with strong base, give basic salt. The salt formed by the reaction between the weak acid and strong base are called basic salt. Basic salt in water, the solution of basic salt in water changes the color of the red litmus to blue. ये क्या करता है? Red litmus changes into blue. What take care of the color changing. Red litmus changes into blue. What are the examples? What are the examples of basic salt? Number one, sodium acetate. CH3, COO, Na for sodium acetate. ऐसे याद रखना है आपको. सोडियम एसीटेट CH3COO Na. This is the formula for acetate. This is the example of basic salt. And similarly, potassium acetate is also the example. This is the number one example. CH3, COO is for potassium acetate. O, calcium acetate. फॉर्मूला ध्यान में रखिए आप लोग. How to write the potassium acetate? CH3COOK. Potassium acetate, sodium acetate. Sodium carbonate are also example of basic salt. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. These are the name of basic salt. You will learn and write. Now suppose that we have one more activity to decide. How to decide that the solution containing basic salt is really basic in nature. How to decide? हम लोग फिर से डिसाइड करेंगे. देखोगे यहाँ पर आ जाओ. Yes. How to decide? Once again, you draw the diagram of activity. Another activity. Activity number 7. Activity number 7. Activity number 7, you can see. You once again draw the diagram for. You draw the diagram for activity 7. You once again take the categories Yes, this is the petri dish. Petri dish is taken and you take solution of sodium acetate in water. You take sodium acetate in water. Sodium acetate in water. The solution of sodium acetate in water is taken in the petri dish. Yes. What you will do now, you take a red litmus paper. You take a red litmus paper. You take a red litmus paper. Red litmus paper and make observation. Red litmus paper is heat into the solution of sodium acetate in water. Then the paper is dipped into the solution of sodium acetate. The color of the litmus paper, color of the litmus paper changes to blue. Changes to blue. So which color is changing? Red color is changing to blue. If this becomes or appears to be blue, then we can decide that the solution given is basic in nature. So we can show by this activity that the solution is basic in nature. Basic in nature. Okay. So these are the method to decide. We have already discussed all these activities. You can see in the diagram what I have written here. Yes, is it possible to observe all these things? You will note down on your notebook. In this way, we have seen here how all three kinds of salts are present and decided with the help of the litmus paper, which is the famous indicator to decide which solution is neutral, which solution is acidic, which solution is basic. Now come to the next. Now come to the next line. ध्यान देना बच्चों, इसको रद्द कर दे।
यस सर।
हाँ, Now you have some questions and you have to try to give the answer. Acid which are present, number one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question A. Number one, acids which are present in plants and animals, plants and animals are called gas. You have to see organic acid. Okay, this is the answer. You have to fill that. Similarly, second paragraph, this is base case and have Michelle. Yes, very good. Bitter and have coffee tea. So these two are similarly in the third paragraph. Acid turns the color of the blue litmus paper to third one gray. Right answer. Very good. Product of neutralization reactions are product of neutralization reactions are product of neutralization reactions are number one salt and number two is water. Very good. At the main point. Fifth, salt of nitric acid are named as nitrate. Salt of nitric acid are called nitrate. Very good. S लगा देना. Nitrates. Sodium acetate is a basic salt formed by reaction of acetic acid and NaOH. 6 number. CH3 double OH and second